asangivele sola
majestic yebe
meaning my guys delete some like I'm showing you that kile unangithe singiphoza ne there's something wrong. What's it take on the concept? Hi guys. Lelo uthini? Jehovah says, hey biggest fan. Hi Lelo. Hi good people. I want to show you that I'm blue now. I saw you with Tebo. Who's Tebo? Hey, who's Tebo? Damn, from the secret sure. Yeah, no, my friend. You look different. You look different. Should I take that as a compliment, Ori? You look good on the big. Thank you. Thank you. Good. Yeah. That's how it's a theme. Okay, sure. Yes, we are. You didn't say it. Blue braids. Blue braids. Blue braids. Yeah, continue ninjan. Hi, Karibu, Takbiri. Hi, Tabaho. Thank you. Taboje Bamnat Usheshe Tuga. Hey, looking to kilos. Who that's? No, if it's Thomas Dalalisha, so much. Hi, Fana. I Zulu on that. Finally, guys, broke up. Heaven. It's been long, but what's the final isn't like it there, man. Hi, Lepak. Yeah. That's Lepak on my bed. That's Nina ish. I'm no longer seeing it with the Nutella shop. Which one? The blue looks so beautiful on you. Thank you. Who will pay with manch? Let's go. Hurry up. I Jelaban. That's a shape, man. I reckon the mat. We're not beefy. Listen, guys, I'm not gonna answer those questions. We're not beefing. The one that Emma said on Skawaki. Yeah? Are you guys not sure you'll be operating? We are coming. We are coming there. Hi, Pamela. No, register. Hey, I wanna book you for dinner. Looks like my ex. Wow. The love I have for you is undefined. Hi, Lichin. I love you, Lande. Yes, we are. Lina Kanti. Yo. Nina, like, nothing is cool, my AJ. I mean, it's painful. I'm not a celebrity. Popular. Yeah. Hi, you feel tan?
Silinai. Silinai.
Okay.
Hi guys, no.
Tuh, kena kena.
Apha-ke wena uright apha.
And another thing,
wena uketsa paro.
yazi kwenza ngani
all you want.
mele ngikhope akwetse pare ne
Yeah.
ke tshwanetse ke copy di number tsa hao ke di save a di batho save
Anguzwa.
ngithama number wakho awufuni kusave mele ngiwakhophe
No, akunankinga ma.
ngizokusave mara ngizowakhopha bese masave
Ayina flop mntwana mina ngilayo eMpumalanga.
Saturday, Tuesday.
Ayina flop.
usayenzani
Ngize ku funeral mntwana yami. Angisho nani niyenza.
Ishingolile lo mfana lo siyeza
Ngithi angisho nani bathi niyeza ke sine shoppers nini.
eMpumalanga yeah
Yo. Awu. Hayi. Ayina flop mntwana sorry.
Shap.
Hey. Ayina flop ya. Twala yapi.
Shap. Chami hate color black.
Shapo mntwana.
I don't hate color black, guys. You see, next month I'll play with black. My hair is not big. My hair is brown. Do you still have the picture? I do. Hi, Chichi. I don't. Anisha, I do love black. My hair is brown, so I usually plait with brown instead of black. Hi, Cindy. So hi, I watch. You have you always have colors in your head. Next month, I'm doing black. Hi, hi, Lesiba. Hi, Kelly. Thank you for the follow, Grootman Kabza. Hi, Mfana Karede. Vovo Hani. Hi, Sunshine. Hamburger, Zangzo charge phone. Hi. King, Babe, hi, baby girl. Let me wanna greet people. Yeah, we are cosme shop hair. Lina ngina how? Malaysian tin. Hi, Sunshine. But I'm like the yeah, Lina. Give up on I'm good, thanks. Can we be friends? Sure. Hey, wena lindo wena ohonya kubulisa bathu mo. You rejected General G. Rejected. No, I was taking videos zamfethu. Ayimele ngisule. Uyabona manje ungenza manje umenza umuntu mfethu. Like I was taking videos, so I was like, no, I should do my lip combo. Yeah. Can I give you my ish, guys? I don't really answer on WhatsApp because I have a lot of numbers. And guys, I'm gonna start a business. You should support me. You should support. Hey, there's nothing happening between me and Smiley. We cool. We're gonna shoot content. And papa anything relevant. There's nothing happening. Be cool. Now smile. What business I did. I'm gonna post the poster. Stay tuned and please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for 9K subbies. Lena, I was on 7.5k last week. Now I'm on 9k. Ke le rata mal. When I lesedi pe. Ed. Ke da jwang. It's also Lindo.
Metsi.
Malume. Ish kenya ko. Ish ntwana mpona ke jwang. For the 25 mpona ke jwang.
Okay, wow. Jesus. Ulangeni social work. Buti ukhona ngala lendlini la.
Uyilukisa jwang pha? Oh. Is that Linda? Ntwana ke tshwere Wi-Fi ya makhelwane. Thank you Mimi.
Sawubona.
Hello.
Kanti kumele sicele kangakho ukufaka kule live.
Because angifaka abantu live.
Hayi bengithi ngiyabulisa nje kuphela. Uthi wenza ibhizinisi yani la?
Ngizokufakela ngiposted. Ngikhuluma ingakayenzeki.
Uyavumela ama-investment.
Niyama-frontal guys. Niyama-frontal. Ke tlo thoma re ke sa do. Maka tsimali wahlanya.
Ubani manje?
Anti ubheri. Kana wahlaya.
Anyways ngibulisa ithi ngihambe.
Mosebenza ungibhejene. Yabona sikuhlalisile.
Ubani?
Wena.
Ngikubheje ngiyethatha phi imali?
Uyasebenza and sikuhlalisile thina.
Ababhadali la. I don't pay.
Ayenzeki leyo. Une-iPhone 17. Une-iPhone 17.
Isikoloto lazi kanti. Ikoloto lamafoni lawa leli. Ikoloto guys.
Nami kufanele ngisinke yes.
Ufuna ini?
Nami ngifuna iPhone.
Ngiyadlala ngitrade in le yami le iPhone 14. Ngitrade in le.
Ninja watching. Malanja ke ba. Smile.
Anyways, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye Lindo, uzoxosha tu.
Ungisendele la ngileyo lapho maybe sina invest kwazi bani. Yazwa? Ngiserious ngiyazwa na ufuna ukuncenga ukuthi abantu ubaphendule ke lapha kuWhatsApp ke.
Amani, ungayenzi so. Ngoko era mo.
Awudisibulisa usmile, show smile.
Awe last number come on.
Grand.
Nando wena.
Mnando athula kangaka khomba.
Ngithengisa ama-truck lapho.
Yes.
Ngithengisa ama-truck lapho sithengeni na.
Sithengisa ama-truck.
Can you be my father? Kanjani nami ngingala baba?
Show watermelon ne.
Bye. Asikanjani nami ngina baba. Kaya sinabazali sonke la. Bazali asinabo. Hayi, fuck umuntu wrong.
Episode.
It's crazy because you put her in with it.
Oh,
Naha.
I'm sure sasikuntshwetile shem.
Smile.
Awenane ke tlo nyala.
Aya ka o dumedisa ke nka no wa ga
Ai na ke tlo nyala ka nka le ke
a reng
Re tlo nyala kankane.
a never yo nka shwa
Okay. Wala ke.
a wena hana ke nyetse ke smile guys yo poverty kadlala listen nahana ke wait
Uphila ka 2024.
mabule listen ne ish watermelon listen ne imagine kanyala ke smile am I gonna get my my thing is my short mango frappes no
Bona no o ska bolela sekgowa pela ka phela nna sekolo ke se tlogetse gratuity.
Muntu wami, sorry.
When last did
Phela
you
nna
drink
sekolo
a
ke
mango?
tlogetse.
When last did you drink a mango, Fape?
Hey, ko jere ka lebala go mea nka re ke di movie tsela tsa romance. Ke
Utlwa
tse ke
ngibhekela,
fetela
Smiley.
eng.
Are you gonna buy me this?
Thank you, Tabi.
What's that?
Ngithi uzongithengela lento, angithi yabona ukuthi lento yini, ifrappe la mango la lapha eMcDonald's.
Le watlolo leo le cheap hampi ka like a 250.
Mina ngifuna le ese McDonald's.
I can't. I don't go to McDonald's.
Ay ustinji he, yabona poverty angeke.
Kasi la ka ne on.
Wena ke re wena ke smiling ke se dating wena ra a roja dikota angeke. Aw every day roja dikota. How? Every day just kopo angeke.
Anane uska wa ga sham na ke lukile hampi omvakashela ke betha wani ke a robala.
Wahlanya obetha wanya ingweni. Obetha wanya inkomang. No, but let's actually talk about. Wait, is the live restricted? Yeah, li restricted live.
No.
Why?
Shit. Ngifuna ukubhema phela, ngifuna ukubhema truth manje ngizobhema mawuqala like when you start the live you do that 18 plus but it's fine my babe. Smile back to you. Angithi uthi wena ufuna ukungishaya and then ulale. Mina ngithi uyalasta na. Uzongisatisfy.
2 minutes fela. Wena ne re vele re plaka di noodles. I love it.
Guys, Ashton, thank you. Like everywhere I go, you bless me. Thank you. Smile over never like when we talk about real men. Re like batho ba bang blessang so not wena no tlo mpotsa go ka sia how he scopa.
Ka sila ka nna ke tshwara po.
And o tlo blessa ka tšhelete ya YouTube.
Ke mang a itseng ka gola YouTube.
Jo guys, la mona blessa ya ka. Ngizohlanya phela. Ashton, I don't know ne. You're gonna make me go crazy.
Este ne mara wa re bona mo. O bulela language feng. Like este ne ke no cold drink ka Christmas fela.
I'll do next. Yeah.
Me, I drink cold drink on Christmas only.
You think Ashton gives a hell? No. Nah.
Ashton, look at me. Me.
Jo.
Wow. But
Ashton we raga wo mo le kwa.
La ngitseng man Thando.
Guys, ngicela ukuthi ni add abantu ufuna ukuhleka yo ngifuna you know juluka nyana. Niyazi ukuthi uSmile uzoba faster yeah. Since nithi text me I use fair wena manje. Cowboy birang.
Cowboy chon.
Ujoinile?
Na. Akasjoin. Ke matla. Phapisa mo.
Fuck man. Manje mina
Wena wa ba bona.
Go guys. I don't go to the streets anymore. I don't go to the streets anymore. That's the thing.
Why?
I don't know. I'm gonna go mama. Ngihlele endlini. Angithi uSmile uthi uzongishada.
Musado ka kampolaya. Wena.
It's not like it's not like nna go batlileng pele ko no batlileng nna mos.
Phela wena me ko nyaka kwa ka di COVID-19.
Yeah. But it's got I got Ashton, so it's fine.
Your thing is over. Now I'm married.
It's fine. I have Ashton. Good right.
Guys, Smiley iba live re join live ha ke ta dula charger.
How? Yeah, actually, no. So, Smiley, around every day.
Crazy. Coba live nje.
So, Smiley, every day, sansuko bono
Wait,
luso.
smile every day.
Sansuko bono luso. Eno batlong shata. Kubonke serious ka ukupela. Ngicela ukuthi ngithathisile ngiyacela. Ngiyacela baba. Kadlala guys. Smiley kopela ka itse wena le o lira tšhelete ya YouTube ka ikopela 5 rand kanyana.
Oh, ka utseba shum. Re bereka ko makuleng.
Lies.
YouTube doesn't pay.
We
Ma
work
what?
at the Makulats. Doesn't pay. Ismail bereka box ana ki bereka Shoprite.
Nina,
what the fuck?
yabona? At least la
Ka
hole.
lesego.
Guys, edambana wa bangwe. Yo sorry guys, sorry.
Wena Thandeka senze i-text.
Wona uyabheda wena wenza into right.
Iphi into right?
Awungibhukhi ngikise emagigini uyakhamisa.
Hayi, ngithe ngitext angithi.
Baba kunini ngokuthetha.
Uyaphukiwa.
Uzakusendela inamba yami inbox.
Yeah, khululeka isend. Sanibonani bosisi. Re kopa di-gift batho ba modimo le ska re feta fela.
Mr. Mofa. Ora sa uqeda ukukhuluma.
Nahana like unti ne. Nahana unti le batho ne. And then ufika God, hey, where's my Antonio music? Over to sorry, dumelang bo sister futsek man. I like Joe futsek Joe.
Crazy
Like
kanti.
Tande ka re serious ka ukopela Joe.
Ke le tsa serious ke le dumedisitse mas. That's kissing but benkoso khele kai bo usa.
Chris nje uhleza nama enga issues lo.
For wena vela ay.
Ishi. Baba yena la ngizokisa khona baba ngifuna ukubona watermelon.
Uhleza khona.
Yebo.
Senyapa yo. Angiphili ngiyaboka.
Uyaboka?
Like mina ngibonakala.
Right uboka kanjalo. Baba la dikikini.
Unangicela icima.
Yeah.
Ungwale hore una le dikikini.
Oh, wabukiwa wena.
Mang.
Ana ka DJ kupale mbukeng.
Uska wa request kita ukha kwa haya. Ayishidlala msadi waka msho uyibone live umbala phakathi.
Ishi. Mara mona bona. Next week Saturday. Le Sunday again.
Uyaphi?
Ka go Brazil Fest. Mopitor.
Kama ngari wangu Brazil Fest.
Ken.
Kupotsa malo wena kina papa it. Thank you.
Hotel chelete transport tsholo. Ya hotel chelete transport dikoloi di teng.
So kutsa malo wena ngari. Ana Smile jealous. Thank you Ashton.
Chris wena nje wena khale kunyaka khale sengiyo.
Ya vele nazanka unyaka bona rina plane nalo na rtsana.
Utshego uyakhala man.
Man, just level up.
Wafana.
When you level 17 just now.
Guys, Kupa olwana le na abe live ke tlo gona tshwara khona ke charge. Bona ka app.
Okay. Kupa Smile.
Oh, estinuna favorites.
Ublessa mina ngithi. Uthanda mina nami ngiyamthanda. I love him so much. Are you going live? Yeah? Are we live?
Yeah.
Smiley, are you alive?
Yeah, Arwala. Oh, he's alive.
Oh, he's going live. Okay, cool. I'll join the
Yeah.
shop.
Sure.